Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to go over another mathematical concept. Today we're going to learn how to evaluate algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a mathematical expression with no equality sign. So when you have a algebraic expression, such as this one, 3x plus 5, there will be no equal sign. So you will have an expression. Sometimes it's a short expression, sometimes it's long, but there is no equal sign. When you have the inequality sign, it becomes an equation. So as in this one, 3x plus 5 equals 15, that's an equation. And this one up here is an algebraic expression. Now let's look at some examples. Let's say we have 3x and we ask to evaluate that. When they ask you to evaluate an expression, they will give you the number for the variable. In this case, they tell you that x is equal to -2. So wherever you see x in the expression, you're going to replace it by -2 in this case. So 3 times -2 or 3 multiplied by -2, either way is right. So because you're multiplying two numbers with different sign, your answer is going to be a negative number. In this case is -6. A positive times a negative is a negative, okay? Next, let's say we ask to evaluate x to the second power minus 3 when x is equal to 4. So x is 4, we're going to replace x in the expression by 4. So now we have 4 to the second power minus 3. So we're going to do the exponent first. 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, that's 16. 16 minus 3, you subtract, that's 13. Let's look at another example. Let's say we ask to evaluate 4y plus 5 minus 2y when y is equal -3. So we're going to replace y in the expression by -3. So y here is going to be replaced by -3, and there is going to be replaced by -3 also. So 4 times -3 plus 5 minus 2 times -3. So now we have multiplication, which you're going to do first. 4 times -3, you multiply, and it's going to be negative because one number is negative. And -2 times 3, remember the minus and negative is the same thing. So -2 times -3, a negative and negative give you a positive. 2 times 3 is 6. Now because you have addition and subtraction, or the positive and negative sign, you're going to start them from left to right. So -12 plus 5, because you adding two numbers with different sign, you're going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So you subtract that 7, and 12 is larger with the negative sign, so your answer is negative. So now you have -7 plus 6, you do the same thing, you subtract because they have different signs, and then you keep the sign of the larger number. In this case is 7. So -7 plus 6 is -1. Why? Because after you subtract, 7 has a negative sign, and 7 is larger than 6, so your answer has to be negative. Another example, we asked to evaluate 3w to the second power plus parentheses 5 minus 2z close parentheses minus 4, and w in this case is 2, z is -1. So we're going to replace w by 2 and z by 1. Okay, so 3 times 2 to the second power plus open parentheses 5 minus 2 times 1 close parentheses minus 4. So remember, w is 2 and z is 1. So now we're going to do parentheses first. Remember, you do parentheses before anything else. So we're going to go inside the parentheses and solve this. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, you're going to do the exponent. 2 to the second power is 4. and you rewrite everything else the same. Next, you're going to do multiplication. Remember, if there is no sign that separates the number and the parentheses, it means multiplying. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 minus 4. Now, because you have addition and subtraction, you're going to start from left to right. 12 plus 3, that's 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. Now, this is a problem for you to try. Go ahead and try the problem and pause the video. And once you're done, you can unpause the video and look at the answer. You asked to evaluate negative 3x minus 2 when x equal negative 3. So x is given here as negative 3. So you're going to replace x in the expression by negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 3 minus 2. So you multiply two numbers with the same sign. A negative and negative give you a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Another problem for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video. Give the problem a try, then you can unpause it and continue to see the answer. 3 to the second power plus parentheses 5y minus 2 close parentheses minus 4y and y equal 3. So you're going to replace y by 3 in the expression. Wherever you see y, you replace it by 3. Let's go ahead and do that. 3 to the second power plus open parentheses 5 times 3 minus 2 close parentheses minus 4 times 3. So now we're going to simplify everything inside the parentheses. So 5 times 3 is 15. You still have two numbers inside the parentheses, so you have to reduce that more. Remember, you need to simplify the parentheses until there is one number left. So 15 minus 2, that's 13. So 3 to the second power plus 13 minus 4 times 3. Now remember, you do exponent. 3 to the second power, that's 3 times 3. That's 9. 9 plus 13 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? Now you solve from left to right because you only have addition and subtraction. 9 plus 13 is 22. Minus 12. 22 minus 12 is 10. And the last problem for you to try. 4 plus 3x minus 4y. In this case, you have two different variables, x and y, but they give you the value for each one of them. X equal 2 and y equal 3. So you're going to replace x by 2 and y by 3 in the expression. 4 plus 3 times 2 minus 4 times 3. So you're going to do the multiplication before you do the addition and subtraction. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. And you bring the minus sign, the positive sign. Or you could have also said negative 4 times 3, that's negative 12. That's the same thing, okay? Now we're going to solve this from left to right. 4 plus 6, that's 10. 10 minus 12, that's negative 2. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Bye.